I mean, I think frequently people call us with one discrete legal issue, and until we start talking to them, they may not know there's a legal solution to a problem they may have. So I think that's fairly common. Somebody may call us, like I mentioned, a victim of domestic violence who needs help trying to get a restraining order, but doesn't realize that some of the problems she's having in her housing might be something that we could help out with, that she may have a right to work with the landlord to get conditions fixed in an apartment. Somebody may not understand if they're denied certain benefits from the Department of Transitional Assistance or another administrative agency. They may have a right to appeal and have a chance of getting the benefits they were denied in the first place. So I think it's fairly common. People come to us with one particular issue, and there's other things we may be able to help them out with. I don't know if it's bouncing back. We've maybe stabilized the lower levels. The last few years, there's been a real drop in funding. It's mainly due to something called the Interest on Lawyers Trust Account, IOLTA. People may not know there's a program in Massachusetts and in every state in the United States, and also Puerto Rico and DC, that requires lawyers who hold funds in escrow, a certain percentage of those funds, a certain portion of those funds go to support legal aid agencies. And what happened over the last few years, as interest rate dropped, as the real estate market dried up, as many of the funds from real estate transactions are held in escrow, that led to a huge decline in IOLTA revenues. So in 2008 in Massachusetts, the IOLTA program roughly generated about $25 or $26 million for legal aid programs. It's down to about $5 million now. So in the last few years, about $20 million has come out of the system to support legal aid. It could only get better now. Interest rates can't get much lower, but that really is what's happened over the last few years in terms of some funding cutbacks, which it's been a tough time for us. We had furloughs, salary freezes, some layoffs. On the flip side, what it's really forced us to do, which has been a positive thing, is diversify our funding more and rely on and go and look for other sources of funding to help the program out.